What's going on, gang? Just got done doing a gutter clean on this property here. Super easy one. This is one of my minimum charges. Just wanted to bring something to your attention. This may be, a moot point for a lot of you guys, but down here in the South, again, I'm located in North Carolina. Um, Temperatures don't usually get super duper cold, and what I mean by that is just like below freezing. Usually, a cold winter for us is somewhere in the 30s, maybe 40s. You have your moments where it dip below, but not too bad. But the last 2 days, temperatures have dropped below freezing. And I've kind of run into an issue that I haven't had to deal with in the past, and that is the debris in the gutter still being frozen. I really kind of jacked up my finger yesterday trying to break it up a little bit. Anyways, today I pushed all my jobs about another hour and a half to let the temperatures warm up, and it did better. So this back run wasn't near as bad from a frozen standpoint, but the front side, which didn't get as much sun as the back did earlier, still was pretty frozen. So if you ever dealt with this before, you can't blow those out. They come off in these big sleeves. I'm gonna see if I can show you here. If you can see them on the ground at all. They're just these big old chunks that come off. It's basically just like an 18-inch ice cube of debris and water, and you end up having to just kind of pull them out by hand. Um, so on a roof like this, not a super big deal. On other roofs, it could severely slow you down when you're out doing a job, especially if you have to do a lot of ladder work. So just make sure that you guys are paying attention. If you're in an area where the temperatures have dropped below freezing, you want to give them a few hours, preferably probably 2 or 3 hours, to let the temperatures increase. That way those gutters can fall out, and that way you can clean them more appropriately. So, hope you guys are having a wonderful, fall and winter months. Keep putting into work. If you got a surplus of jobs right now, be sure to put these customers on a reoccurring schedule. I try to get all my customers on a 6-month basis. That way I can turn one customer into two cleanings per year, and it kind of starts to stack up that way. Be sure to put out yard signs at every job that you do. Ask for reviews. Do what you can to turn these one-time customers into recurring customers that will hopefully, refer you to other jobs as well. And like you guys heard me talk about 100 times before, be sure to be looking for additional services that you can offer to your customers when you come out here. That way you can turn, $150, $200 customers into $300, $400, $500 customers, contingent upon the services that they might need. So if you guys don't mind, man, go ahead and hop in the Telegram group. Let's chalk it up in there, ask me questions, motivate each other. Check out Gutter Cleaner U if you want to. Like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and always, baby, keep them clean.